into the trap of silence, where you believe no one can help, or that you must figure it all out on your own. But here's the truth. Mental health is not a solo journey. You need support. You need to be heard, and you need the courage to ask for help. That's not weakness. That's the first step toward healing. Now that you know these 5 silent signs, the question is, what can you do about it? The good news is there are natural and highly effective ways to strengthen your mind. Start with small self-care routines. Set aside just 10 minutes a day to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. It could be meditation, a quiet walk, or even journaling your thoughts. Pay attention to your diet. Foods rich in omega-3, magnesium, and B-complex vitamins have a powerful impact on your mood and mental stability. And of course, move your body. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. You don't need a gym. You can dance, swim, walk, whatever feels right for you. Another powerful habit is to build real connections. Talk to someone you trust. Sometimes a simple conversation can lift a huge weight. If you can seek support from a therapist or mental health professional, don't wait for your suffering to turn into desperation. And remember, mental health is a journey. There's no magic formula, but there are consistent steps that, when practiced daily, create a powerful shield of emotional protection. Your well-being starts with small choices. And when you take care of your mind, you automatically improve everything around you. Your relationships, your productivity, your physical health, and your joy in life. If this video resonated with you, share it with someone who might need to hear it. Sometimes one message can change someone's day or even save a life. And if you want more content like this that gets straight to the point and helps you understand and improve your mental health, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Every week, there's a new video with practical tips, powerful insights, and real strategies to help you live with more balance and purpose. Remember, you are not alone. And together, we'll build a stronger mind, a calmer heart, and a more meaningful life. See you in the next video.